What we actually need, there is no one who forms a party to be in opposition. You form a party so that you remain in power. Isn't what we have power.
Namugo de daiwa digere atigira wera wa chairman wa committee ya Senate ya energy. Ali kwani anaona kaya power.
Why sasa mudhuru cio ninge no horio ni muthiangu. Oyo ne ari tuhirwo kidogo. Nega speech arandikite.
Hauga maitho ni marega guthoma.
No cio kirio ukuru.
Atize you understand.
No kinda takigaragaro. Yeni. No kazuga ni anogora andu fast. Tuweze tukae kando na Ruto. William Ruto. We will be behind the government of Ruto.
Also, the ODM will be swallowed.
We are not swallowable. We are here to stay. And we will get 50% of government. But we are more than 50.
We are more than 50. Okay, the Kenyan Aridia Naivasha. I have not seen his speech.
I don't know if the Mbadi karibu achome. Uliona hiyo clip? We have actually had discussions, and Your Excellency, you sat down with the President of China. Mbadi. I'm told we are live. Ukala hiyo clip muzoni. Iko huko mitandao.
Arare hakuye kwanirira miatu. Moti horario cio kamero.
Ari kuga. Ewa ndo hau comment ni marandika atiri. Twetera tu nitukuhe uhoro ni rigi.
Munyoro wanyito horo cio. Na kia kumbuka naguo.
Auge mandu acio marageragia kuhirania maundu. Na ndirenda gukwira atiriri.
Na rio iguru riramaanikirio.
Uhoro ucio ndi naguo ndiraheirwo. Mundu ucio gutwo CS Mbadi. Arageretie kumburania wega arigana me raifu. Ya thiete kuheana uhoro. Unini. I'm told we are live. Wewe nikiwewe. Kuheana uhoro athia. Nyoria mukoro handu mukiarererio horo wa etagwo ki he mugitu uragurwo kwanyu uherega magaikara thi makiario kaigwa muthuri umwe uga atiri ni muramenya mubatie gukora mugitara kirathimo tondu uyu ni wa kuhikuka ayo yeah,
something that I think I hear no country has ever done. That we got into bilateral engagement with China. I remember Your Excellency spoke with the leader of China. Yeah, it is okay. This is now. I'm being reminded you are alive.
Patia Mbadi Mike.
Mpe Mike. Haya basi ereza. Kero zako zote ereza. Mpe Mike.
Como ronyita kamero adu othe magaikara uguo ona matingitirania na giti.
Na mundu anyita kamero githemba kiu ri ndakoragwo ho riu gukibangwo. Oka thutha-ini ndaramenya kundu guku ri andu moe ngoni guku ndanyua njohi. Muthuri uyu tukenyua iri ya mihehu. Dry kana ndagitari wetagwo ri. This guy used to write the surgeon's diary etagwo atia. Dawood. Was it Yusuf Dawood? I don't know what the surgeon's diary. No, it was not surgeon. Was it Dawood or Dr. Silverstein? Ndagitari wa moyo etagwo Silverstein. Yes. Ocio no watu ide ithu twerago moi ndahutagia kindu.
Akiuborania
akiuga maguthanya muna muthe bothu mzee you would ask for his dawa a little wine from Israel and ametha vivo iheirwo ko Capernaum kana ya garini
no ko ya ndo bera wo muthe ndahutagia
riu ni mo mundu aikota ri briefing ini ri ni atuhoka riu bad ni uka wewe kamutakwirite mundu uyu
na nona thina wa andu guka micemanio mari acerere
waka mucemanio ya mucerere ucoke
ni ha manua
ete kuthete toti
no mucemanio umana the do's and the don'ts.
I think it was Silverstein maugire mzee alikuwa anaitisha dawa yake mzee alikuwa anapenda nyama anapenda kukula nyama akazadio ni nyamwe ai hagirwo kuri ogwo muru wa mundu aturahe na akiugo aya naitwa Vasha Manenos. What stays in Vasha? What happens in Vasha
stays in Vasha.
See, unazafaida no gututiga maundu ku. Now you can relate. Nobody can relate.
Maundu ma Vasha ni ma Vasha.
Yes.
Na ukienda Vasha avoid my life.
Avoid. Wacha kutigana na raifu.
Malaifu tigana mo.
Tiga guys tap. Okay, why were they live?
Of course, I wanted to send a statement
so that you can see they are gathered.
So that you can see that
2 or 3 are gathered.
Yes, and the
broad spectrum,
broad-based arrangement is B.
Well, bread lacks in. Because there was no aspect of bread, then the good old man of son of Jaramogi would have no business.
And why you are now bread, broad mwena wa power. Eretia 50.
Eretia kafutori. Kafutori karaga githingiria.
Bread mwena mweretia nuthu.
Yes. Maretia kamugata kau jogu agetiri atia. Kamugata nuthu.
Kagui. Aretia kagui.
Yes, to go bila power.
Na kiti ya deputy.
Because it's good to have power.
Ila iko vile mwana